Hey there, my name is Chase Jackson. I am CEO of Energy Easy. We are a sales and marketing agency that provides shore power loading dock electrification to distribution centers all across North America. And I'm really excited about what we do. There is no other product or service in the transportation industry that provides the financial, environmental, brand name, human wellness value that our service and products provide. And I'm really excited here to tell you more about them today. Loading dock electrification at your facility consists of installing infrastructure and equipment that allows the trucks that come in to load and unload product at a climate controlled temperature to plug into the ground and use electricity to keep product a certain temperature rather than diesel fuel. And that saves you a ton of money. We are talking between 40 and 70% of your operational costs can be reduced by moving away from diesel fuel and to electricity. Savings in this amount can propel you to strategic growth, can propel to expansion, can propel your company to more employee benefits. There's a whole variety of things, exciting things that you can do by lowering operational costs this much. And all you have to do, move away from diesel, move toward electricity. A little background on myself. The whole reason that I entered into the energy efficiency industry is I have two young boys and I want to improve the quality of life of their generation and the generations following theirs. And loading dock electrification can make a huge difference in reducing the amount of carbon particulate matter that goes into the air. And the government agrees with me. The federal government and most states in the country are paying you, the customer, to do what we are offering. So we are not only raising your profits, but in addition to that, the government is going to give you a big check or a federal rebate to do this as well. Because by moving away from diesel and moving to electricity, you're not only helping your financial statements quarterly, but you are also having a dramatic effect on the benefits that you are providing the environment. So, shore power, distribution center electrification, improve the quality of life of the next generation. So, as I mentioned at the start of this presentation, there is no other product or service in the transport industry that provides the financial value that our product and service provides in shore power loading dock electrification. And of course, you're asking, to get that much value, that's going to cost me a lot of money. And my reply to that is no. So, to benefit our customers and make life easier for them, we have put together a package that requires no capital outlay. We have partnered with Graybar Financial, one of the most prestigious financial firms in the country, where you won't have to put anything out up front. The amount of savings that you will have in diesel fuel every month, in most cases, will be much less than your payment to us in Graybar, allowing your company to see the financial benefits immediately. Loading dock electrification, no capital outlay, all benefits, all value. This is exciting. So with such a transformative project being done to your facility, who will provide the service? Well, that would be EC Company, electrical construction company, one of the best electrical construction companies in the world. This organization has been around for over 65 years, and they have done all kinds of work with Fortune 100 companies, embassies across the world, and their quality of service, we believe, is second to none. That's why we have chosen them to be our service provider with this project. The financial value of this project really takes care of itself. So quality of service is really most important. You have other options where you could potentially call your local electrician to see if they might be able to help you with shore power loading dock electrification, but they will not have the strategic expertise, ideas, and drawings and design that we will bring. EC Company has already done over 50 truck stops, electrifying over 50 truck stops across the country. They have more expertise and experience in TRU trucking electrification than any other service provider. Go with the company that's going to give you the utmost quality and service. That's us. That's EC Company. This is a transformative project. We're really excited about it. So, how about driver, employee, and community wellness? The trucking industry has 40% higher healthcare costs than the average healthcare costs of other industries across the country. This is due to a trucker's lifestyle. This is due to what they consume, what they eat in terms of nutrition, and also a significant factor in why their healthcare costs are so high is the amount of diesel that they breathe in. By moving from diesel fuel TRUs, charged TRUs, to electricity, we are eliminating the amount of diesel that is going into the air at your facility, which can provide great benefits to the drivers that are at the facility a lot of the time, your employees, the surrounding community and city. I know we work with a lot of clean cities organizations across the country, and cities are really cracking down in how much pollution can be put into the air by industrial organizations, and this eliminates that. So great value there. Also, in terms of the surrounding residential community, by moving to shore power electrification, they don't have to breathe in the air. Also, we're cutting out the noise of these loud, obnoxious trailer refrigeration unit diesel burning generators. By moving to shore power electrification, there is a noticeable silence that will come to your facility. Your facility is going to be much cleaner. Your facility is going to be much calmer. Your employees are going to be much more happy. Your employees are going to be much more productive. And it's just really going to be a transformative experience for your company that's going to really take them into 2014 and beyond. This is exciting. So my company, Energy Easy, we have partnered with Shore Power Technologies, who are really the trucking electrification gurus in the United States. These guys have electrified truck stops across the country. They're receiving national accredited awards from Washington, D.C. for their work in changing the trucking culture in terms of reducing the particulate matter that's going into the air, and in terms of just their strategic and innovative thinking. Shore Power Technologies, Energy Easy, we're here to bring massive financial value to your company. We're here to change your company's culture. We're here to make life better. This is exciting. Shore Power loading dock electrification. Feel the fever. So to apply shore power electrification infrastructure to your facility, of course, you have to have your reefers electric capable. And to that, our answer is with Carrier Transicold's Vector series. These reefers are the best reefers on the market. They are one of the few reefers that meets the Environmental Protection Agency's Tier 4 new regulations, which make it for your company has to make a change in terms of TRUs to meet these new national regulations. And we say if you're going to do that, you should go with the TRU that provides you the best value and the best product overall. And that is the Vector series by Carrier. Purchasing Vectors for your facility, along with applying shore power electrification infrastructure, gives you the most bang for your buck in raising profits massively, improving the environment, improving the brand name, improving your community, improving employee wellness. You can't have one without the other. This is exciting. The next time you buy TRUs, make sure you go to Carrier Transicold and buy the Vector series. There is no other product or service in the transport industry that brings the value that shore power loading dock electrification does by coming through Energy Easy. The financial value, the community value, the environmental value, the government's paying you to do this, the employee wellness value, we're lowering healthcare costs. We can just go on and on and on about the value that we bring by moving away from diesel on your TRU units and moving that to electricity. So call us today or email us, visit our website, energyeasyproducts.com. This is exciting. We're raising profits. We're changing the culture. Let's do it.